Nginibingelele okhulumayo Luyanda uSports Media Officer weZulu Society. Sawubona ngicela ukuthi ngikhuluma nobani?
uManqoba Mgenge lo, member of the Zulu Society.
Okay, so njengoba silana sizobuka imatch yeZulu Society. Uyazi ukuthi ngabe idlala against ini and wena macabanga iscore kuzoba uba?
I think idlala against iBenato. And lo games ba igame enzima, but ke sijabule kakhulu ukuthi siphinde sithole ithuba lokuthi siphinde siqhubeke ne-tournament ngoba masikhumbula last time sadlala ne-team yenza izinto zazingavumelekile and then ya disqualify, then we get a second chance ukuthi siphinde sizodlala futhi, and acabanga ukuthi abajida bazosebenza kakhulu for this second opportunity, and it's going to be a tough game over vele Benato House. Siyazi ukuthi one of the teams asebenza kakhulu and alwayo, but ngenxa yokuthi they get a second chance azokwazi ukuthi amajida ayimisele kakhulu iyona chithubele ukugcina le.
Okay, ngicine ngazwanga lapha ukuthi wena mobheke iscore kuzoba uba?
For iscore ama possibilities mabili, kunga draw ngo-1-1 sema penalty, or uma kwenzeka siwine ngo-2-1, yona ama possibilities ongacabanga ngayo le.
Okay, usithembile noma uthi uma kwenzeka kwenzakalani?
Cha vela ukuthi ngowe as a supporter yeZulu Society I wish yona ukuthi win, but as umuntu owazi sports and igame yebhola I know ukuthi Benato House is a tough opponent.
Okay, hayi. Siyabonga kakhulu nathi sithemba ukuthi sizowina. Siyabonga isikhathi sakho.
Danke.